Canna Coco is an easy medium to grow plants on. It is suitable to cultivate several successive crops on the same cocoa. In this film, we will show you just how easy it is. Cultivating in pots or on slabs is comparable. In this film, we show slabs. Make sure there are holes at the bottom of the slabs. These holes are necessary for a good drainage. Before you put the plants on the slab, you need to bring air into the slab. This is necessary to obtain an ideal air-water balance in the slab. Place the slab in the tray. Cut holes in the slabs on the spots where you will put plants. Push the cocoa in the plant holes a bit aside, so that the plants will stand firm in the cocoa from the start. Now the cutting is placed on the slab. It can be done standing in the cutting block, on a starter block, or in a Peter's pot. There are, of course, many other ways to place the cutting on the slab. As soon as the cuttings are placed on the slabs, it is recommended to use Rhizotonic because it stimulates root growth. Pour Rhizotonic and spray the leaves with it as well. Now it is time to fertilize the plants using Canna's uniquely formulated cocoa nutrients, Cocoa A and B. Start with an EC of 1 to 1.5. The plant is in the growing or vegetative phase. Increase the EC during the cultivation. Add Cannazine to stimulate bio-life in the slab and to achieve an optimal condition of the Canna Coco. Check the pH and EC of the medium regularly by taking samples. As soon as you change to 12 hours of light a day, the plant gets a signal to flower. About 1 to 3 weeks later, the plant growth is tempered and it starts to bloom. Start adding PK 1314 4 weeks before harvesting. This results in big and firm crop development. These plants are ready to be harvested. It is very well possible to use Canna Coco 3 times without any problems. If you reuse cocoa, we advise you to rinse the substrate with double doses of Cannazine after harvesting. Use of Cannazine during the growth minimizes the chance of passing diseases and helps old roots disappear. Let the rinse substrate rest for a day and you can start again. Pre-growing is a method with the purpose of obtaining broader and stronger plants without using space in the growing room. The small plants are planted out into a bigger pot or onto a bigger block before the plants are placed under light with a relatively blue spectrum, such as strip light or a metal halide light. There are several advantages using this method. You save space because you grow in a separate room. As a result of that, you save money as well. Pre-growing results in healthier, stronger plants that deliver a heavier harvest. Another way to pre-grow is in a Peter's pot. If you do not know what it is, then keep watching. A Peter's pot is a small pot of about 7 to 10 centimeters. Fill the Peter's pots with Canna Coco. Put a rooted plant in every pot. Dip the pots in the Rhizotonic and spray the leaves as well. Rhizotonic contains useful minerals that are important for the root development. Put the plants under strip light or metal halide light. Leave the plants under this light for about a week. Now the plant is rooted well. Cut the bottom out of the pot. Put the plant with the pot on the growth medium. Repeat the pouring and spraying treatment with Rhizotonic. The plants start to root in the medium immediately. The plants are ready to start blooming now. This is what a fine result of pre-growing looks like.